baby. Near the top. Here's my man. Come on, Rick.
I'm coming. Not bad.
Doing well.
Very good. Big performance.
We're nearly there. The final ascent into hell. Yeah, boy. Can't see shit though, look. By the rock. Me by the rock. Check me out. Hello. Woo! God damn, motherfucker. About another 10 minutes and we'll be at the top, baby. Rock out with your cock out. Hey, see no. After this, I'm going back down, innit? Get in the car and fucking drive home. I see you after now. Like this.